Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkBook 15 G4 AIP. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you are experiencing issues where some keys on your Lenovo ThinkBook 15 G4 AIP do not respond, you are not alone. This can occur due to various reasons, such as wear and tear or liquid damage. If left unaddressed, it can hinder your productivity and lead to further complications. To perform this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new keyboard compatible with your model. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully turn your laptop over and locate the battery release latch, releasing it to disconnect the battery. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep track of the screws, as they come in different sizes. Gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the back panel is removed, locate the keyboard connector. You will typically find it near the top edge of the device. Carefully disconnect the flex cable by lifting the small black latch on the connector. Now, identify the screws holding the keyboard in place. Remove these screws, and then gently lift the keyboard from its position, starting from the top edge. Be cautious as there may be clips holding it in place. Once the keyboard is free, take your new keyboard and align it correctly. Press it down gently to ensure it snaps into place. Reconnect the flex cable by sliding it back into the connector and securing the latch. Now, replace the screws that hold the keyboard, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so. Before reassembling your device, it's wise to test the keyboard functionality. Reconnect the battery and power on the laptop. Check that all keys are responsive. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you're satisfied that everything works, carefully replace the back panel, pressing it down until all clips snap into place. Finally, secure the back panel with the screws you removed earlier. To avoid future keyboard issues, be mindful of spills and try to keep your device clean and free of debris. Regular maintenance can go a long way in preventing similar problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.